Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having valuable features in high demand. Features also include rear view camera, steering wheel controls, voice-activated command system, Uconnect system, hands-free Bluetooth integration. You are going to love the 2020 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. The Jeep Wrangler Unlimited is an on- and off-road capable vehicle that was made for you to enjoy. Stylish, rugged, and comfortable, all traits of the Wrangler that let you decide where you want to go and how you want to get there. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, fog lights, rollover protection system, steel wheels, cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks, power steering, tilt steering wheel, bucket seats. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.